We lovingly call these projects Green Summers. So people in the community knew us as Glendale Green Summer. The Milwaukee River cuts right through the center of the city. So people here get water. This is a public outreach project disguised as a rain barrel program. People love to tell their neighbors they got a rain barrel. They love to use the fresh water on their gardens. They love everything about it. And at the same time, we do a lot of outreach to the community to talk about the importance of stormwater management, capturing rainwater where it falls, to help have less pollution go into the rivers and into the lake. We usually do our outreach by going to big events. Obviously, none of that happened this year. So instead, we did a huge mailing. Well, within the first week, we had 400 or 500 people that wanted to participate. By the end of the summer, we installed over 100 barrels, plus we have almost 100 people that signed up to pick one up to do themselves. We also typically do like 4 or 5 rain gardens. This year we did twice that, and we had hundreds of people that wanted a garden. Starting day one, we had such great involvement and participation and engagement from the City of Glendale, both from the administrative staff, from the Glendale Area Business Association. The local Boy Scout troop helped us with some delivery of some barrels. They even had their own rain barrel art program this summer in Glendale. It's really just been beyond fabulous.